Hi, this is Mark from LongIslandWatch.com. Lots of parts today, aftermarket parts for your, of course, for your Islanders, but also for your SKX 007s and 9s, your Orient Triton, your 013s, your 38 millimeter Islanders. Just got a lot of stuff to show you, but hopefully we can get through pretty quickly. I just want to talk really quickly about this first contest that I announced on YouTube yesterday. Name it, win it. I guess I didn't really anticipate the popularity that the video had. As of right before filming this, less than 24 hours later, there was like 4,500 comments. And I need to go through every single one. So I just wanted to say that sometime on Friday, probably in the afternoon, like 2, 3 o'clock, I'm not going to accept any more comments, and I'm going to download all the comments and then start sifting through them. I'd originally said I'll have an answer for you on Saturday, but I don't think that's really going to happen. There's a lot of comments to go through, so I will announce the winner and the winning name eventually. Just it may not happen on Saturday. My other wrist is sporting that field watch. It's still a decent amount of time away. Let's check out parts. So we've got a lot to cover, so we're just going to jump right into it. Number one, Orient Triton Sapphire Inserts in blue. The black ones came out several months ago. Everyone's looking for blue. It was a little more difficult. I was finally able to do a blue. I did not exactly install it on the watch, but if you want to get a good indication, it's a very deep blue. There is the original blue, and here is the blue insert that we got for it. It looks great. It's not a perfect match. It's a little bit deeper, so it accents it a tad bit more. But it is luminescent, so this will all light up when the lights go down, and it looks really cool. So that is the blue insert for both the Orient Triton and Neptune, which are kind of the same exact watch. And then moving on, so that's the only thing I have for you for Triton and Neptune. A bunch of videos back, I talked about bracelets, getting into the bracelet business, which oddly enough was one of my most popular videos. Very strange. So now I have this style, the O style and the J style. I have it in 22 and 20 millimeter to fit your SKX007 models, 009s, your 011s, your SKX013s, any of those 43 millimeter Seiko divers. These will fit. And I also have the same exact bracelets in 20 millimeter. The taper on the 22 is down to 18. Okay, and the taper on the 20 millimeter goes down to 16. They're all solid link, solid end link, 3-position micro adjust, flip lock deployant. The price on all of these is $59 no matter the size. So like I said, I have the J and the O in both the 22 and the 20. And then speaking of another, second, I'm looking for something. I got stuff all over the place. Speaking of another part for your 007s and 013s, as those go down, I'm doing these smooth bezels now, non-turning smooth bezels, pilot's bezels if you want to call them, for the 007, just as like a point of reference, right? The bezel usually looks, of course this one's lacking an insert, but the bezel usually looks like this. So this is a smooth bezel. You just pop off your old one, push this on, you take out the spring, and I have them in 43 millimeter and 38 millimeter sizes. $29. I think it looks better on the full size. The proportions, I think, on the 38 look a little funny, but people are buying them. So hey, again, if you like it, you like it. But it is really nice looking, and it definitely classes up the joint a little bit. Takes away that diver motif and puts it in a whole different direction. And then, I guess if you're curious, I have the bezel here if you want to know what it looks like. The bezels are, I don't know if I said the price, I think they're $29 or something. And then we get into some fun. So the rest of the game is going to be bezel inserts. Okay, so I have an Islander here. Let me just move the hands, it kind of bothers me a little bit. And then we'll just drop and replace. Let's leave the crown. It doesn't go in. There we go. Drop and replace some inserts that I'm doing. So I have all sapphire loom, Batman. Instead of ceramic, I'm doing sapphire now. And just like all other inserts, I'm just going to do one glow shot, guys. Just one glow shot so you know they glow. So there you go. You know it glows. This is the dual time Batman. It's a sapphire loomed insert. So all you would need to do is remove your current bezel insert. You can remove the bezel. You don't have to remove the bezel. Whatever you like. I actually did one recently. I'm sure you guys probably do this stuff more than I do, as odd as it sounds. I took the watch that I was doing it on because I didn't want to remove the bezel. Because I was really actually frightened to do it. And I put it face down in a little, almost like a petri dish, and I poured golf grip tape solvent, like a 1/4 inch, because it's extremely non-corrosive, and just let it sit for like a day and a half, 2 days, and I just took a little pick, and the bezel literally just came right off. The glue just dissolves. So for the 007s, these are all $60, by the way. I'm doing Batman in the dual time that you just saw, and then in the dive. It's interesting that they do the split to black and blue. It's trying to evoke the look of the true Batman watch, not 0 to 20 in black or blue, and then the rest of the other color. So this is for the 007. So I've got dual time Batman and dive Batman. Again, I have some Batmans currently for these watches, but they are all ceramic, not sapphire. And then by popular demand, well, I don't know how popular, but a lot of people ask for this. So this is the blue ceramic insert. Now back to ceramic. This is loomed. Blue ceramic insert from the ISL. This is from the ISL 55, I believe. That samurai-esque case. It's a very dark blue ceramic. Beautiful, beautiful blue. Kind of a new ceramic that the people I deal with are using. So it looks really nice. So I'm doing it in the ISL 55 format, and then also in the dual time, which is the ISL 27 format. So again, these will fit any SKX007 or 40 or 009 or 43 millimeter Islander case. Guys, that is my modus operandi. Every thing I do in the future, if it's going to be anywhere near the size of this watch, I am going to make it compatible with the parts. It just makes the most sense. There's so many parts out there, and why do like PlayStation or one of those other ones where nothing works from the past in the future? I just like to make everything compatible. It just makes more sense. You guys have so much stuff already. So bracelets, everything, let's keep using it. Anyway, so dark blue ceramic inserts. These are a little bit less than sapphire. I want to say like $50 or so. I don't know. It's all on the website. Let's see what else we got. Oh, one more. So for you Turtle fans, I did the same two Batmans for the Turtle, except I don't have I didn't put a blank bezel on so I can pop them in and out. So you'll have to kind of just get the gist of it. So this again is sapphire, dive, Batman, luminescent. Looks awesome. Adds a nice pop of color to your Turtle. So this will fit any of the Seiko Turtle watches. It will also fit the Islander Turtle-esque watches. And here is the dual time Batman. It looks awesome. I think I'm just looking around real quick because I know I had a lot to cover. I did that pretty fast. But I think that is it. That's everybody. So that was fun. This has been Mark from LongEyeWatch.com showing you a bunch of new parts for your Islanders, your Seikos, your Tritons, your Orients, whatever you got. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you've not done so. Questions or comments, put them down below, and I will be sure to get to them as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.